Okay, hello. This is going to be a review of the Crosman Pumpmaster Classic variable pump pistol. I just got it from Walmart for about $58 American US dollars. I also got some pellets here. Got the destroyer and some multi-purpose pointed pellets. I'm going to attempt to get it out of the package now. Got to put the camera down real quick here. 1 second. I hate these packages and their stupid plastics. Damn shits. Okay. Almost got it here. There was 1 more second. Okay. Got it out here. That's what it looks like. Pretty heavy, like that. Kind of feels nice and weighty. Looks pretty good, nice and clean. Got a little safety there. It's bolt action. Rear sights, front sights. Rear sights adjustable. Alright, gonna be shooting at that there little water bottle way out there. It's about 32 yards away, and the wind is blowing at about 175 miles per hour. So let me just open up some pellets here one more time. Gotta put the camera down real quick. Figure out how to open these up. Okay. Got to open up the case here. There we go. There's some of the pellets. I opened up the regular pointy ones because I don't want to do any destroying yet. I'm just multi-purpose shooting right now. There's little tiny pellets in here. They're 177 caliber. There's about 250 of them for about $2. Pretty good deal there. So open up the little bolt, pull that back, or put the little pellet in there. I guess the pointy side goes forward. Yeah. I guess I could put the camera down here for a second. It's nice and oiled in there for good shelf life. And I'm going to pump it up a little bit. Probably about 5 times. It says it's supposed to go about 600 foot per second. So hopefully that's right, and I'm gonna shoot now. See if I can aim and film at the same time here. Nope. I think I've got the safety on here. Yep, definitely got the safety on here. Okay, now I can see the little red line, means I can shoot it now. Okay, I'm gonna aim real good here. Oops, I think I missed there. I'm gonna try again. But yeah, that felt pretty good there. I'll go try again, I guess. One more time. I'm gonna try and hit that thing over there.